Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 11th of February 2019, start of a new trading week. This video, I'll just go over what I've done this morning on the charts and have a quick look at the news, etc. Not much to report today. As I look at both the Mod MACD charts and the high probability, there was no action at all in the daily high probability charts. However, there was some action on the daily Mod MACD charts, mainly just trade reversals. So let's go and have a look. There's 3 trades. This is my Mod MACD profile. These are the pairs I'm looking at. There's only 7. So we'll start off with a pound yen. I was in a buy back here. You can pause the video and read my notes there in order as they go down. Wasn't a buy. I already closed half and had a stop in place this morning. Confirmed sell signal. So that buy is no longer, I've closed the remaining buy. So that buy is gone. Now in a sell at this point here. The fast MACD is through the 0 level. That's the main indicator we look at. And the other criteria, there's 3 other criteria. At least 2 of them have to be met. In this case, the QMP filter is a red dot, so that's good. One of the other criteria was that price has to close on the other side of the 25 SMA, which it hasn't in this case. So then we look at the standard MACD down here, and that is technically in sell mode. You can see that it's crossed there, and it's heading down. So there's enough criteria there to take the sell. So it's a pound yen. Closed the remaining buy for overall profit and now taking a sell. Next one is the USD CAD. Same sort of deal, except it's the opposite. I was in a sell back here. Gone down. I closed out half. My stop was in place just above the entry level. This morning, new buy signal. So the sell's been removed for an overall profit. Now on this buy, again, fast MACDs through the 0 level, standard MACDs in buy mode. We've got a green QMP filter dot. We've closed above the 25 SMA, so all criteria has been met. We're now in a buy. I'll update these notes later, but that's when I post the screenshots, but we're in a buy. So it's the USD CAD. And the third one was the Euro New Zealand. Again, I was in a sell back here. Went down, I closed half. Had a stop in place up here, just above the entry level. Popped up close to it a couple of days ago, or last week, and it's come back down again today. It's always a little bit tricky taking a buy on a bearish candle. Sometimes it plays with the mind a bit, but we've closed that sell for a very small profit, but it was good overall profit. And now on a buy. Now this is a bit of a higher risk trade. Criteria is met. There's a confirmed cross. We're just in buy mode on the standard MACD. Got a green QMP filter dot. We didn't really close above the 25 SMA, but there's enough criteria there. It's a high risk trade. We're trading in towards the 240 LMA. Just got to give it a bit of room to move. You can just look back on the history. This thing does make some decent moves. So when it gets going, imagine this signal up here. Look at that, beautiful. And the buy in here wasn't too up to there, and the sell down wasn't. So they're all not all profitable. Obviously, it gets a bit messy in places like that, but that's why we have the other filters to keep you out, etc. But we're now on a buy here, so it's a Euro New Zealand. So that's it. News-wise, let's have a look. I'm pretty sure I've got my calendar up here. Start of a new week, Monday the 11th of February. So Japan's obviously got a holiday today, lucky them. They seem to have a lot of holidays in Japan. Then we've got pound GDP and manufacturing production today. They've got a few bits of news, high impact news out of UK. So that's just something to watch out. That's later today. Tuesday, all the talking heads. There's 4 in a row there. Want to have a chat about something? Just be careful, especially when Fed Chair Powell speaks and Bank of England Carney speaks. They can move markets. And New Zealand on Wednesday, we've got the interest rate news in New Zealand. Not expecting any change, but you never know what happens when they talk. They have their speeches and talk about the future. CPI out of the US on Wednesday also. Just looking through it, nothing. Core retail sales, just basically all the retail sales out of the US on Thursday, something to be aware of. And Friday looks retail sales out of the UK. That's about it. Now this morning there wasn't much in the way of gapping or that, but I just want to show you something on some of these. Some reason the Swiss franc, some spiking on there. So we'll have a look at one, CAD Swiss, because I'm in one of these trades. This is on the high probability. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you the spike this morning. Big spike. Something happening on with the Swissy by looks, because it's just on the Swissy. Let's have a look at another one. Aussie Swiss. Not so big a spike, but definitely a spike. Euro Swiss. Look at that. Bang. Big spike this morning. Not sure what's happened. Swiss yen. Another spike. Let's have a look. Pound Swiss. And sell. Spike up. See, if I had a stop in there, it would have been taken out. A little spike today. Especially when that would have been when the spreads were pretty wide too in the first hour of trading. New Zealand, Swiss and sell there. Look at it spike up again. And USD, Swiss franc. Look at that. I don't know what's going on in Switzerland, but something happened this morning in the financial markets, and who knows. All right, guys, only a quick video today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. As usual, everyone's more than welcome to join my Facebook group or my Telegram group. But if you do like these videos, please subscribe or just at least hit the like button. And if you do want to share them, it's up to you. No problems. Thank you. So have a good day all. Cheers.